Hey everybody, I'm coming to you from my house and sheds, and today we're going to be hearing the siren test from two cities in this area at once, Deer Park and Pasadena. So in a few seconds, they'll set them off, so get ready. As far as I know, Deer Park's... Oh, there goes Pasadena. Pasadena's going early. That was short. One by the fire station failed. They started the test a minute early today. Wow. I'll get back. I'll get back to you when Deer Park's starting. Okay. Well, sorry about that, guys. I thought Deer Park was gonna test them today. But Pasadena started a minute early today. But until next time, and also Happy New Year's, everybody. Until next time, that's it.